Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Spotify louder and better. Therefore, you have the loudest and the best quality sound you can possibly get out of your Spotify account. So how do you do this? The first thing you want to do is to click your profile in the uppermost left hand side, and then you want to click on settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down all the way to where it says audio quality. You want to tap on that. So for the Wi-Fi streaming, you want to set it to very high or high. And also on the cellular streaming, you want to set it to high or very high as well. Right? And you can also set for downloads to high or very high. Now, once you do that, guys, the next thing that you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to your settings on your phone. Now, once you're inside settings, go ahead and click on the sounds and the vibration, and then you want to go ahead and click on the volume. Now once you're here, the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, you want to click on that, and you want to click on the volume limit. Then you want to turn on your volume limit, and then you want to increase the volume to as high as you want. As you can see, I turn it all the way up, and that's all there is to it, guys. Now when you go back to Spotify and start to listen music with Spotify again, guys, you will notice a tremendous upgrade of your Spotify sound quality and the loudness. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like and let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.